If you're a retiree wondering how to make penalty-free IRA withdrawals for health-related reasons, you're in the right place. It's a situation that many retirees face, needing to access their IRA funds early, but worried about penalties. The good news is that there are ways to do this without losing a portion of your hard-earned savings to penalties. First, let's clear up one of the biggest myths. Health-related withdrawals from an IRA aren't automatically subject to penalties. In fact, there are several exceptions to the early withdrawal penalty if you're dealing with health issues. The IRS allows penalty-free withdrawals in certain circumstances, such as in the case of a disability or high medical expenses. For example, if you become permanently disabled, you can withdraw from your IRA without facing that dreaded 10% early withdrawal penalty, no matter your age. You can prove your disability by providing medical records or a physician's statement that confirms your condition. So, if health concerns are a factor, this could be a vital exception for you. Another important exception is if your unreimbursed medical expenses exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. That means if you're dealing with substantial health-related costs that aren't covered by insurance, you can withdraw from your IRA to cover those expenses without penalty. Keep in mind, though, that you'll still have to pay regular income tax on the amount withdrawn, but at least you won't be penalized for early withdrawal. Now, I know many of you are thinking about how to protect your wealth in the long term. If you're serious about making sure your retirement savings stay protected, especially against inflation or economic downturns, then I encourage you to check out the free guide linked in the description. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to shield their wealth, and this guide will show you exactly how to do that. For those who have $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even 5Men Plus in savings, it's a smart move if you're thinking about the future. But back to health-related withdrawals. There's also the option of using your IRA funds for qualified long-term care insurance premiums. If you need long-term care, which isn't covered by Medicare, you can take funds from your IRA without the penalty. This is a great way to ensure you're taken care of without having to dip into other resources. For those of you who might be dealing with a serious illness, you might also consider tapping into your IRA for medical treatments or procedures. As long as it's medically necessary and prescribed by a doctor, these withdrawals can fall under the penalty-free exceptions. While these options are helpful, it's important to remember that gold IRAs are a solid option for wealth protection. Unlike regular IRAs, which are vulnerable to market fluctuations and inflation, a gold IRA allows you to hold precious metals like gold, silver, and even platinum, providing a hedge against inflation and economic instability. If you're dealing with health-related expenses, having your wealth in a gold IRA could offer you peace of mind, knowing your funds are less susceptible to market risks. If you're over 59, years old, you also have the added benefit of withdrawing from your IRA without penalty for health-related reasons, but the tax implications still apply. And for those under 59, these exceptions can help you avoid penalties, but you'll still face regular taxes on the amount you take out. It's crucial to understand these details when making decisions, so you're not hit with unexpected tax bills down the line. I hope this helps clarify how to make penalty-free IRA withdrawals for health-related reasons. But if you're looking to secure your retirement savings for the long term, a gold IRA could be your best bet. If you have at least $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5Men Plus in savings, you should really look into how this could benefit you. To learn more and get your free gold IRA guide, click the first link in the description. It's perfect for anyone looking to protect their wealth and ensure their financial future remains secure, especially if health-related concerns are top of mind. Don't wait. Take action today to safeguard your retirement and access the funds you need without the penalties.